I think anything of this sort that I do looks like an art project, to be very honest. It's crazy. Okay. Matcha number 1, matcha number 2, matcha number 3. 1 second. Main ingredient, strawberry. So we have to do it today. 1 second. Or something, I'm doing it in a cup in a microwave. So we'll just do that. Right. Of course you can't, like, it's basically first thing in the morning that I'm doing this. You can't play with chocolate and not eat chocolate. I've never been a basically. Fun part. I'm gonna add a couple of matchas that I have. Very risky business. Okay. So we're gonna take a heap of matcha. I'm gonna put it in here. It's one with it because I think the color will be so much nicer. Do this, okay? So there you go. Okay, I just did. Okay, we'll try. Okay, and how we'll mix this. Take that. Oh no. And I'm just gonna add pistachio.
Third one for lunch.